Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick. So, this video you are about to watch, all the voice notes you are about to listen to, is European Parliament. They've rose up to call on Muhammadu Buhari, the president of Nigeria, that they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu immediately. In fact, we are going to watch the video and I will come back to analyze this video because I can see that a lot of people don't know the meaning of freedom fighting. A lot of people thinking that when you say you need Biafra or you are fighting for your freedom is a joke. Listen, let me tell you something, that a Rome is not built in a day. So, watch the video and I will be back to analyze it. You know me very well.
Him to be released on bail. Chapter 4, Section 39 of the Nigerian Constitution says that every person shall be entitled to freedom of expression, including freedom to hold opinions and to receive and impart ideas and information without interference. I therefore call upon the President of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, to uphold his country's constitution, to ensure Nnamdi Kanu's immediate and safe release. The Nigerian government must guarantee the freedom of expression of all Nigerian citizens, including their right to protest without intimidation, and end violence towards those who identify as Biafran. And I call on my colleagues here in the European Parliament to do much more to promote human rights in Nigeria.
Yes, this is a true message to Muhammadu Buhari. You can see what it takes and you can hear it from the horse's mouth already. When they are calling on the federal government of Nigeria to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and they make their point known and say that Nigeria constitution gives rooms to freedom of speech, gives room to freedom of expression, and it gives room to agitating. So the people agitating for their freedom, like the Biafrans, should be given a chance, should be given a listening ears. The point I want to bring in is this: when this news burst out, everybody were like happy towards this news. And do you know that this news, or before European Parliament decided to take this decision, to take this agitating to another level, to listen to Biafrans, do you think that this thing just happened in a day? Listen, let me tell you, what plays out here is as a result of combined force. A Rome does not build in a day, and a journey of a thousand miles begins with a step. Everybody in one way or the other contributed to this breakthrough. See, let me tell you, even Mazi Nnamdi Kanu normally made a statement and said, whatever you know that you can do for this struggle for Biafra, he said, keep on doing it. See, let me tell you, a lot of people have been making sacrifice unknowing to the public about Biafrans. A lot of people are talking about Biafra without not ranting on social media, without not coming out for the world to see them that they are Biafrans. A lot of people are doing a lot of underground job about this fight for Biafra. So you should not think that you are the only one, or because you come out to talk about Biafra and this happened, that means you are the only one that makes it to happen. Every other person talking about Biafra does not have the right to be happy, does not even have the right to associate themselves to say that they are among the people that make this breakthrough to come to pass. They should not be happy. That you should be the only one that will be happy. I said I absolutely disagree with you. Mazi Simon Ekpa has been doing his own things in his own way. that the effect today has been shown in the federal government of Nigeria, like the governors normally testify of how is the sit at home has affected them, of how a lot of things has been going on in Biafra land just because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is arrested, or they call for the quest for Biafra freedom. So many other things, and a lot of people as well has been doing one thing or the other. So this victory, I am telling you that, is as a result of a combined force, is as a result of a combined effort. Is not only some persons that do this, or only the people that agitate that do this. No, everybody in one way or the other attributed to this breakthrough, and such everybody should be happy. So please don't deprive people of their rights. This is not the type of Biafra that you will wish to build. This is not the Biafra that you want to hit people down for them not to talk. You said that the Nigeria government is stressing you. You said that the Nigeria government is treating you as a second class citizen, and here you are trying to treat people as a second class citizen even while Biafra has not even come. So I am calling on every meaningful Biafrans that it is time we stop this madness. Yes, we should stop this madness of attacking each other, especially when it comes to something of happiness. Instead, we will be happy. We start pointing accusing fingers on everyone. We start pointing accusing fingers on people. It is high time we stop it. Let unity lead among us, and let everybody do their thing. Yes, if Biafra come today, everybody will be joyful, everybody will be happy. And now that everybody are doing their things, let everybody do their things, and let everyone mind their business. But when there is a cause for celebration and we hear any positive news, we should be happy together and forget about the hate at that particular moment. I see no reason why the time we should celebrate, the time we should be happy, we are not using that time to point accusing fingers on people. Do you think that the European Parliament that sat down to take this decision, do you think that is just because of your efforts alone? No. Or do you think that is because of what you are doing alone? No. Before they come into this conclusion, as I was saying, they've received a lot of things, they've received a lot of information, they have received a lot of complaints, not just from only one country alone, not just from only UK alone, from other countries. I and you will remember the other day, if you can remember vividly, when Mazi Simon Ekpa showed up in Finland Parliament. What will you say to that? These are all combined force. We can still remember when there were protests in UN. This is as a result of the combined effort. We can still remember when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appeared in court. Our brothers, our sisters, our mothers, in solidarity with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, being maltreated even to this very moment. Some of them are also held captive in DSS custody. These are the results of what we are seeing today. This thing does not just happen in a day. What about those people on Twitter that tweet about Biafra? What about those people that will not come out to make a video, but in one way or the other they raise up their voice, they use their platform to create awareness on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, and on YouTube? Before you see the ones that are right in Biafra land, what Eastern Security Network is doing, what people are saying, what Governor Otom has been saying, even of recent, he was in UK and he rose this particular issue. Are you telling me that those people, they never work to support? Or is it the lawyer? Or is it a bluffing? Please, let's acknowledge what is good. And at this particular time, I want everybody to jubilate, to be happy that at least voices have been heard for once. I know time without number, this thing normally take place, but this is a fight with a different, just because other people are involved, directly or indirectly. So my message this very moment is that don't think that what happened is as a result of what you did, but remember, it's a combined effort. People are not working, but you can't do it alone. So my realistic people, this is the issue I have brought for you. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much once again for always tuning in. Please share this video, subscribe to this platform, and bye bye.